Hi, I'm Nidali and you are watching FinNews. Today I'm going to discuss about a very important topic, that is comeback of Indian economy from coronavirus crash. We all know that there was a global recession due to coronavirus outbreak. Global market was highly affected due to it. Indian stock market had its negative impact from 20th February 2020 to 7th April 2020. After 7th April 2020, stock market moved upwards, creating a bullish trend. Now we can say that stock market is at its highest level. So I was just wondering that our economy is not doing so well. Then how stock market is so bullish? So I thought of doing some research on it. So me and my friend Pankaj Prajapati, we both did an extensive research on it, and we came into a conclusion that not only one factor but there are multiple factors which is affecting stock market in a positive way. So let us discuss about it one by one. So the first factor is rate cut by RBI. When there is a recession, it is very important to infuse the liquidity in the market. So in order to infuse liquidity in the market, RBI changed its monetary policy. It reduced the rate of lending in order to make businesses survive in the market. So people started taking loans from there. People started getting cheap money. But along with the rate cut in lending, FD rates also got reduced. As FD rates got reduced, it was not accepted by the investors. So what investors did? Investors withdrew all their money from fixed deposit and they started investing in gold. They started investing in equity market. They were more focused on gold because we say that gold is a safe haven investment. So people started investing more in gold as compared to equity market. So as people started, as we can see that in this lockdown period, the price of the gold rise like anything. So this was one of the reason. Now second reason is FDI shifted their focus from China to India. We cannot deny the fact that China was one of the biggest reason of coronavirus outbreak. And after China, India is the mass producer of goods. So FDI shifted their focus from China and they started coming to India. So this kind of news started flowing in the market, which attracted foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors. So flow of equity again started in the market. Third reason is pharma sector got attractive. Now why pharma sector got attractive? As we know that all the countries are working very hard to create a coronavirus vaccine, and wherein as discussed earlier that India is the mass producer, right? So all the investors have expectations that India will be the mass producer of coronavirus vaccine and as well as the major exporter. So investors are investing in India in pharma sector because they have huge expectations. So this is one of the factor. Next is ease in lockdown restrictions. Government eased the lockdown restriction. People started going out, people started working, which helped their businesses to reduce the loss, and they started speedy recovery. Like in quarter 1, the loss was like 50 crores for example, and in second quarter the loss is only 5 crores. So there was a speedy recovery in covering the financial losses, which attracted the foreign institutional investors, domestic institutional investors, and people started infusing all their money in equity market now. So we see that the gold price is reducing, and in the month of October and November there is a high inflow of equity in the market. Right, we have not seen that market is falling down or market is being bullish in these 2 months. Market is very bullish, very bullish. Okay, it is not bearish, it is bullish. Now next is US election. So US election is one of the biggest factor which affects the global economy. Now we all were expecting that Joe Biden will be the next president of America. We do had good relations with America when Trump was there, But during this Trump leadership, there were certain things which affected India very negatively. So first thing was that India was removed from developing country list. Okay, so as India was removed from developing country list, whatever subsidies which we were getting at global level, now we are not getting it. Second thing, they also threatened us that we will impose sanctions on you if you will import oil from Iran. So there were certain political reasons between Iran and America, due to which the things were not good between them. So America used their power and they said that if any country is importing oil from Iran, they will impose sanction on it. And we have good relation with Iran. Out of 100%, 60% oil we import from Iran and we get at a very subsidized rate. So due to this reasons, we had to suffer from a lot of loss, and the oil price increased like anything in December 2018. So these were some of the reasons why India was not that happy when Donald Trump was there, because India had to suffer a lot of loss. And now as Joe Biden is the new president, so we are expecting that there will be good relation again with America, and this time it will be stronger and we won't face such losses in future, and same is expected by the investors. So these were certain reasons that why stock market is booming like anything, is very bullish. So now as far as investment is concerned, and if you are thinking of investing at this moment, so I would like to tell you that if you are a short term investor, please don't invest in stock market. Rather you can go for SIPs, mutual fund SIPs. And if you are a long term investor, then yeah, you can invest. But if you are a short term investor, then you can see that market is very unpredictable. You never know that when correction will come in the market. As we know that on this Thursday, market was very low because domestic institutional investors started booking their profits, right? So it is very unpredictable. So that's all from my side. If you like my video, please click on like button, please subscribe my channel, and please do click on the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So in my next video I may discuss about the SIPs, that what are the benefits of SIP, why we should invest in SIP. That's all from my side. Thank you.